Hey everyone, welcome back to Modern Retro Gal. My name's JL, and today I'm super excited to share this makeup look with you. I am doing a tutorial on this fall-inspired makeup look, but make it the 1950s. So if you are someone who kind of likes to play with colors or transition your makeup for different seasons, this is a great tutorial for you. I will apologize right now. It is very loud in my house. It is very loud in our neighborhood, and there's nothing that I can do about it. So I wanted to do a little bit more of a talk through on this eyeshadow look, but unfortunately it's going to be kind of a sped through and some like captioned instructions on how I achieved this makeup look. It's pretty easy though, so even if you are a beginner, this is definitely something you can do. You can always skip the winged liner. It's still a very lovely 50s inspired makeup tutorial, even without winged liner. The winged liner was a struggle for me, as hooded gals across the world will know, and guys, anyone who's put makeup on a hooded eye will know it's not fun. There were some moments where I questioned myself as to why did I do this to myself, but it's not bad. It's just not my best winged liner, but that is how winged liner goes sometimes. Even when you're doing a tutorial, the winged liner does not care. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. So I hope that you will still see through that and see this beautiful fall-inspired makeup for what it is. If you are new to my channel, hey, how's it going? Glad to have you here. I hope that you will stick around. I do vintage and vintage inspired and modern makeup tutorials. I do a lot of reviews on makeup and skincare products, and occasionally I throw in a fashion video here and there whenever I feel like it. So if that sounds good to you, I hope you will stick around, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so to kick off this look, I am going to do kind of a quick sped up version of what I've been doing with my base lately. For fall makeup, I tend to do a little bit more coverage than I would in the summer. The weather just kind of like will allow the makeup to kind of stay on a little bit longer. So I do spend a little bit more time with my base, and then we will get to the eyes. I will have all of the base products listed down below. Everything will be listed down below, not necessarily linked, but I will have links to where you can find everything, just not the individual products. With school being back in, I am just super busy, and so to link every single product during the editing process is just a lot of time. So I hope you guys don't mind that I'm not going to have everything linked individually, but I will have links of where you can find everything. So here is my base tutorial. one. If you would like a little bit more in-depth tutorial on what I'm doing with my base right now and how I'm using color correctors, let me know in the comments down below. I'd be happy to do a video on that. Just as a quick intermission, I do need your help. I am trying to reach 2,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So if you could go ahead and click that subscribe button down below and be sure to click the bell, then you'll always know when I upload. I would really appreciate it. It would mean a lot to me. So now we are going to move on to eyes. Totally just add some mascara. Be sure to curl your lashes and do your lips. We're gonna do a little bit of wing liner. This could be a huge mistake. I may end up messing this up, but here goes nothing. Pray for me or whatever. But yeah, we're just gonna do a little bit of a wing liner just to try and amp up the 50s look. So here we go. Okay, so we are back with the winged liner. It's fine for the purpose of this video, but with as hooded as my eyes are, I'm not in love with a winged liner on me anymore. You can see it's kind of more of like a messy bat wing. It just has to do with the anatomy of my eyes. So what I often do is I go with that little bit deeper shadow that I use, and I just kind of pounce over it, and it just sort of softens the edge of that wing, and it doesn't, kind of just softens some of the messiness. But yeah, let's do mascara. So keeping with the 1950s, I am going to do a red lipstick, but because it's fall, it's going to be a little bit warmer, a little bit more orangey toned. I am using this one from Smashbox. It's their liquid lipstick in the color Liquid Fire. I think this is great to go with this look. It's a little bit more fall, but it still has that great like kind of 50s red look. So let's put it on. Here we are, lips are on. So that is it for the tutorial. What do you all think? Do you like this fall inspired 1950s look. I hope you do. I'm really excited for this series. There will be 2 more fall looks. There will be kind of a like modern, colorful fall look, I guess you could say, and then we're gonna do like a really like dramatic, like evening, smokier, I am sure dark lip fall look. So I hope you will enjoy those ones along with this one. If you try this out, definitely let me know. If you're on Instagram, tag me in the photos. You do not need to use all of the products that I used. If you have colors that are similar, definitely do that. But for the eyes, definitely kind of those warmer orangey peachy tones is perfect for this look. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed yourself. I hope you picked up a couple of new techniques to try out, and I will see you all again soon.